Let's take a look at a commonly missed concept from Lesson 7, and that is calculating net price rates based on discounts. The list price of a food processor is $450. The chain discount is 20% less 10%. What is the net price rate? Okay, so once again, begin by looking up your formulas. This is a relatively simple problem compared to some of the other ones we've seen, but it's deceiving. So I encourage you to go ahead and still pull out your equations. So notice this mentions a list price, mentions chain discounts, and they are asking us what the net price rate is. So if I pull out my equation reference sheet, I find that for net price rate, it says to multiply the complements of the chain discount rates. Multiply the complements of the chain discount rates. So they've given us these two chain discount rates. Remember, complement is 100% minus whatever our number is, right? So in other words, the complement of 20 is 80, the complement of 10 is 90, the complement of 50 is 50, the complement of 25 is 75, etc. So the directions here are to multiply the complements. So my complements, again, for 20% is 80%. My complement of 10% is 90%. So I multiply those together and I get that my net price rate is 72%. So it turns out we didn't even need list price, and that's because they asked us for net price rate, which is a percentage, right? So they were just asking us for a rate, so list price didn't come into play. And we end up with 72%. You can probably guess what the common mistake on this one is, which is combining these to 30%. Okay, and you cannot do that. You have to multiply the complements of the chain discount rates. So I'll sometimes see something like this. People will say, okay, 20 plus 10% is 30%, 100 minus 30 is 70, right? And then they'll write 70% as an answer. This is incorrect. Okay, so again, to calculate net price rate, multiply the complements of the chain discount rates. Do not combine them.